Okay, so these are the expectations for maths in week 3. Once again, you need to go and find your math document. So here it is, math week 3. Click on that. Now, this is going to be the instructions. Now, up here, there'll be a video of what we obviously are focusing on, but then that won't be an issue because I just haven't made it yet, but there will be a video up there when you're doing it. So watch the video. And then, as per normal, the first day we need to copy and paste our stuff. So we copy that. So Control C. We move down the right document, and we'll click Control V. Okay. Now this will be a little bit tricky to start with, but once you get used to it, it won't be too bad. So when you're up there, you've got to make sure that sometimes you leave a line at the top. Okay, we'll realise that for later. Then you've got to make sure all these are lined up properly, okay, and then move this one down probably one more, and then make sure it's lined up in their correct place value, okay, because that's very, very important. Now, as in the video, we had a look of how we work right to left, so we have a look and we go down. So we have a look at, we've got the 5 units plus the 2 units, so the answer to that is obviously 7 units, okay, all staying down underneath it. There's no need for carrying in that one. Then we have a look at the 3 plus 4 tens. Well, we have 7 tens, okay. So you've got to do a little bit of playing around with your numbers, but that's what it should look like. And what I need you to do is need you to highlight it, and then I need you to underline it. So that way there I know that's the answer line, and then that's finished, okay. So that's the first one done. Now the second one I've done where there will be some carrying, okay. So we make sure that they're underneath there. Now if we have a look at 7 plus 8, so we're looking on the right hand side again, 7 plus 8. Now 7 plus 8 is 15. As we saw in the video, we can only put one digit in there, and we always put the right hand digit. So in 15, the right hand digit is the 5. So we put the 5 there, and then what we need to do is we need to show our carrying. Okay, so this is the important part. So you need to click up here, and you need to click the space bar, so you're just above the 4. Okay, and obviously the other digit from 15 was 1. So we need to put the 1 up there. So what we need to do is we need to do that in a different color so I can see that you're carrying and borrowing. So we do that in red, and there's our 1 up there. Okay, so now we go back down here to our answer. So we've got our 4 tens plus 3 tens, but we can't forget about our 1 up here. So we've got 4 plus 3 is 7, plus our 1 up here is 8. So our answer is 85. Okay, and once again, I need you to highlight that and underline it. So then that I know is your answer. Okay, now that's basically what we're doing. So there's obviously going to be a few more sums than that when I give you your task, but that is how I want you to do it. So if there's carrying needed, you need to put it up above it like this. So I can see that you've done 7 plus 8 equals 15. You've put down the 5, and then you've carried the 1 over here. Because then I know, for example, if your answer here was 7, I know that you've forgotten to carry the 1. Okay, so that is how we're going to do it. You're probably going to do about 5 or 6 every day. As you do it, I'll give feedback and I'll give you new problems. So there'll be probably games as well midweek. But remember, if you don't send it to me, I'll have a look at it and I'll just add more to the daily task. But that is what it should look like. If there's carrying required, it needs to be above that place value column, so I know it belongs there. Because obviously later on in the week we're going to be doing some hundreds as well, so then you've got to make sure you do that properly and you get to learn. But that are the expectations for the math this week.